A business case is a document that outlines the financial and strategic justification for a proposed project or investment. It is used to evaluate the potential costs, benefits, and risks associated with the project and to determine whether or not to proceed with the project. A business case typically includes financial analysis such as cost benefit analysis, return on investment referred to as ROI, net present value referred to as NPV, and payback period calculations. The process of creating a business case begins with identifying a problem or opportunity and determining the potential solutions. The next step is to conduct a thorough analysis of the costs and benefits associated with each solution. This includes identifying the cost of the proposed project, such as the cost of materials, labor, and equipment, as well as the benefits of the project, such as increased revenue or improved efficiency. A cost-benefit analysis is a key component of a business case. It compares the costs of the project to the benefits that it is expected to provide, such as increased revenue, reduced costs, or improved efficiency. The outcome of this analysis will help to determine whether or not the project is financially viable or not. Another important element of a business case is a return on investment, ROI analysis, which is a measure of the profitability of an investment. ROI is calculated by taking the benefits of the project and subtracting the costs and then dividing that number by the costs. A positive ROI indicates that the project will be profitable. Net present value or NPV and payback calculations are also important elements of a business case. NPV is a financial metric that calculates the present value of future cash flows from a project and helps to determine whether the project will be profitable in the long run. Payback period is the amount of time required for an investment to recoup its cost. The final step of creating a business case is to present the findings in a clear and concise document that can be easily understood by decision makers. The business case should include a summary of the problem or opportunity, the proposed solution, the costs and benefits of the project, and the results of the financial analysis. It should also include recommendations for proceeding with the project or not. So in summary, a business case is a document that outlines the financial and strategic justification for a proposed project or investment. It is used to evaluate the potential costs, benefits, and risks associated with a project and to determine whether or not to proceed with the project. A business case typically includes financial analysis such as cost-benefit analysis, return on investment, net present value, and payback period calculations. It helps decision makers to make informed decisions about whether or not to proceed with a project, and it is an essential tool for project managers to ensure that resources are allocated to the most valuable projects. See you in the next lecture.